Hey, Chloe. How you doing? We're getting ready for dinner.
Yes, Dad.
It's Friday, January 17th,
Yes, Dad.
2014, huh? How big you're getting? Typical day, stuff everywhere, you know, that's happens when you're busy. Oh, you don't want. Here. We're making some real food.
It's the food.
Real food.
I think I got the real food.
And we just gave the doggies a bath.
Yes, the Buffy.
Bathy.
Wait,
Do you like bathies?
it's the Buffy.
Hmm?
Guys, the Buffy.
You like chasing the dogs, don't you?
Wait, I just the Buffy. I thought it was the Buffy. I just the Buffy.
Chloe, how old are you?
Oh, it's the dog with the Buffy though.
Yeah, they already took a bath.
Wait, Buffy.
Did you show everybody your fish tank?
Wait, the Buffy. I said the Buffy.
It's a nice new fish tank.
Wait, Buffy. I know the Buffy.
Bubble guppies are in there, huh?
Yes, see. Girls, got the
Oh,
Buffy.
thank you. Thank you.
Great.
Hmm?
I the Buffy. I the Buffy.
You took a bathie.
Yes, I.
You took a bath yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, the Buffy. What?
What's Penny doing up there?
School. I can touch them.
You can almost make it up the steps like a big girl, huh?
Wait. I Buffy. I the Buffy. What? Buffy. I the Buffy.
You don't need another bathie right now. So what are we doing? We're just heating up your dinner, making some chicken nuggets, and carrying around your blankie. Chloe, what's that? What's that? Hmm? Thank you. Thank you.
What? Buffy? I said Buffy.
Where's your numbers?
Where you go?
Where'd they go?
What?
Where's your numbers? 1, 2, 3.
I go. What? Buffy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't need another bathie.
What? What's this? What? Buffy? I said Buffy. The Buffy's down.
Hmm?
Is it down?
It's down. What do you mean?
It's the Buffy.
The bathie's down?
Buffy.
Bathie.
I said Buffy.
Yeah, bathie.
What? Buffy? I got it. I got the Buffy. I said Buffy. I said Buffy. The Buffy.
Thank you.
The fly flax. The fly flax.
What's this?
It's a fly flax.
A fire truck. Fire truck?
Where's it go?
It looks kind of like a fire truck.
What? Buffy?
Where's your castles? Where's your castles? That's Mommy and Daddy.
What?
Where's Peppa Pig?
Let's go.
Where's Peppa Pig? Is that Peppa Pig?
It's a baby.
Who's this?
Baby.
Who's that?
It's a baby. It's a baby. It's pig. It's a pig.
Who's that?
It's a baby.
It's Peppa Pig?
It's a pig.
Peppa Pig.
It's a pig.
You like Peppa Pig or you like Bubblegum?
Guppy girl. It's a guppy shop.
You like Guppies better?
Wait. Guppy shop. I have a guppy shop. I have a guppy shop. Down to slow down. This is so down.
I think you got enough toys, don't you?
That's all.
Got your books you like reading?
The book.
Book?
I like the book.
You can read the book, can't you?
That's all. What is the bubbles?
Bubbles? Are those bubbles?
The bubbles.
Bubbles.
That's the bubbles.
Are those the bubble gups in there?
I like a bishop.
So they just fish?
What is the fish? Is a fish?
Fish? Where's the fish?
Where'd it go?
Where'd they go?
It's a good fish.
You want to read the book?
It's a good fish.
You want to read the book while we wait for your dinner to be done cooking?
Yes, there's a fish. What? Fish, a duck. The fish. The fish.
Chloe, what's this?
It's a book. It's a book set.
The what?
It's a book. It's a bush. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish.
It's not a fish. There you go. It's a hat.
Oh, some bubbles. How's the cowboy hat?
It's a cowboy hat. Oh, hello. Thanks for the hug.
There's a girl with a hat. The cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat.
It's a cow hat.
There. How about Daddy wears it?
Oh, wait. Like a book. Honey. The book. Sit down.
Is that how you read the book? Stand on it?
Number 8. That is number 8.
Number 8? That's not an 8.
It's a number 8.
No. What number is that?
Yes, it's a number.
It's a number.
That is a number. It's a 9. Dude, it's a number.
It's a 9?
It's a number 8.
Yeah. Good job.
It's a number. It's an 8. It's an 8.
What's that?
It's 8.
That's 8.
It's 8.
8. Where's number 7?
Where'd it go?
Where's number 7?
Where'd it go?
Where is it? Number 7.
So big. Yeah.
No, that's a 1.
That is so big.
Kind of looks like a 7. It's a 1.
Ooh, so big.
Where's 7?
Where'd it go?
Where's 7?
Hi.
You can find it. Where'd it go?
Oh, so big. I can go. I have to go with it.
No. You're probably getting hungry, huh?
What? So big.
All right.
It's a number 8.
That's not a number 8. That's a big Lego.
It's a number 8. It's a number.
Where's number 8?
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? Whoop. There you go. Whoop.
Uh-oh. And it's so
What happened? What happened? Oh. You getting hungry? Want to give Daddy a hug?
Yes, I saw something. I saw a fish. Wow. It's a
Ooh.
fish.
They changed color, huh?
It's a fish.
There's a fish.
It's a bubbles.
And the bubbles.
It's a water though.
Yeah, it's in the water too.
Let's go. Oh no.
Did you say excuse me?
I see a fish. It's a puck. It's a pucker.
Thank you.
It's a puck.
Thank you. Crackers.
The puckers.
Crackers.
Puckers.
Thank you. You're supposed to say you're welcome. Uh-oh. Dinner's done. Can you say bye-bye for now? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Chloe. Bye-bye. Huh? You alright? Say bye-bye. Like, why are you pointing that thing at me? Why are you pointing that thing at me? Why are you pointing that thing at me? Ah, hey. Alright. Bye-bye.